find the other thing you could have tried, or maybe the other things you could have tried. So I was talking about investigating where we failed. And so when you do that process, at the same time, you can ask yourself, okay, what could I have done better? So for example, in the budget situation that I was monitoring, I was asking myself, where did I fail? How could I miss this? What happened? And at the same time, I can come up with other solutions. So once you have identified the cause of the problem, actually, now you can tell yourself, okay, this is what happened. Now, what could I have tried to have a different result? And so all that will help you in the future. So you know that, okay, in this situation, this strategy doesn't work, so I need to try something else. And because you would have brainstormed other things you could have tried, it will help you in the future. So you don't have the unknown of, I don't know what happened, and you won't have the unknown of, what could I have done better? So it's a really important exercise, because somehow, even if you have failed, because in your mind you are investigating other solutions, it's like you are solving the problem. Even if you have failed, you are solving the problem somehow. You won't change the result, but the fact that you know, oh, I could have tried this one or those things, it will help you to feel better a little bit, even if you still have the failure. But yeah, knowing what caused the problem and what other solution you could have tried will help, and you will feel less dumb, I believe.